What's up, foodies? Today we are making a panzanella salad in the middle of the Rockies, so let's have some fun. Really cool thing I got the last week was this cool setup here. This is by HitchFire. I found these guys. I was just searching through YouTube videos looking for some places where I can do some videos for outdoor cooking, and these guys popped up. So I reached out to them and they gladly sent me out a nice little, it's called a cook station. This hooks into the hitch of your bumper, so it just connects in. It gives you a little sink to work with while you're cooking, a little prep station here, and then a little burner on the side. And when you're done everything, you just slide the ends in and then collapse it right to the back of your bumper and you're ready to go. They sent it out for free. They didn't pay me to make this video, but I am gonna do a video using this. And if this works out, which I think it will, I think I'm gonna be doing a lot more outdoor videos during the summer months. This is fall here in Canada, so it's a bit cold out here this morning. But hey, we're out here, we're gonna have some fun, and we're gonna make a panzanella salad. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna start by roasting our red peppers we have here, and we're gonna roast them on the little burner here. But let's give them a little wash here first, just to clean them off. Wash there. Like it's for washing off any germs. It's more so to wash off any dirt. So, okay. All right, let's turn on our burner. We're just gonna take our peppers and just throw them on here and let them burn. That's what we're doing. So what we're going here is try to get those as black as possible, dark as we can. We're gonna burn them. And that's gonna give us a nice roasted red pepper. Let's cut up our bread. It's a lot more relaxing doing this in the woods. I don't have to worry about lighting or anything else. Just do my thing. It's actually kind of fun, outdoor cooking. All right, usually have a bread knife, so don't give me crap. But I forgot one, so we're just gonna cut this up into cubes. That should be good. I smell delicious roasting peppers going over here. So this bread is a little stale. It's a good way to use up some leftover bread is to use stale bread for bread salad, essentially. It's what a panzanella is, panzanella. If you look here, see we're starting to get some nice char. Give those a little turn there. We're gonna give those a really good char. We're not even close to being done yet. We're gonna give this a nice coating in olive oil and then a bit of salt, and then we're gonna grill it in a pan. So let's give our olive oil here. Woo! Nice generous amount. A little bit of salt here. I'm using Malden salt because I forgot to bring some regular kosher salt. So use what you got when you got it. We're out camping, right? I'm breathing fire. Oh, hot air. Shannon tell you I'm always blowing hot air, my wife. Let's chop up a bit of onion here. You only want a little bit. There's no real recipe for this. We're just gonna, throw some stuff in together. I'll put a recipe in the description so if you want the exact amounts. But right here today, I am just throwing it together, having a bit of fun. And chop this up. So here we go. We'll take this, we'll put it into our bowl. Going to give these guys a little turn. There we go, look at that. There we go. Look, that looks beautiful. All right, while we're waiting for those, we might as well make our salad dressing. So this is really easy. This is we're gonna do a white balsamic, honey, Dijon mustard, some basil. It's gonna be really good. So let's throw in a bit of olive oil. Usually 3 to 1 or 2 to 2, 1 to 1, whatever way you like it. I usually do 3 oil to 2 vinegar usually. We'll use a bit of balsamic vinegar. If you don't have balsamic vinegar, white balsamic, a regular black balsamic will work fine, or any vinegar you have really. It's a salad dressing. Make it the whatever way you like. So now we're gonna add a bit of mustard. We got some Dijon here. This is gonna help emulsify the sauce. Emulsify, making sure it's exploding everywhere. Mustard. Just a little bit, about a teaspoon. It's gonna help keep the oil and vinegar from separating in the dressing. It's really good with just ham on bread. It's good stuff. Take a couple of basil leaves here. We'll just crack them off. Put them here. And we're going to chiffonade, which is we're going to stack them and then we're going to roll them up as best we can because we can't feel the tips of our fingers. And then take a knife and just little strips. If you really wanted to, you could also just straight up chop it. You don't have to be fancy. You know what? Actually, let's just do that because this is going to a dressing. We'll do some for the top later. There we go. All good. So let's put these in. And then a bit of salt. Some pepper. Look, they even got these little racks on the HitchFire. You can just put your stuff. I guess these are for drinks, but if you're, not drinking, you're cooking, they're great for oil and pepper. Love it. Or any other sauces. There's a little shelf here. You can put some condiments in, some salt. You got your pepper and I guess these are drink holders over here, but I'm using them for my pepper and my oil. It's great. Love it. Grate in a clove of garlic or raspin or chop in. Here we go. And now a little bit of honey to finish it off. And a little bit more. Come on. Why isn't this pouring? Jesus. Here we go. Tablespoon. All right, and then we'll put on our top. And we will give it a shake. And our dressing is done. Actually, I think our peppers are done for now. Let's turn off our burner. And we're going to pop these into our bowl. I normally wouldn't put the onions in here, but I left them in here. I put them in too soon. Whatever. We're going to cover this and let them sweat for a little bit, so it makes it easy to remove the skins. Up and over. There we go. We're just going to cover this and let it sweat for about 5-10 minutes. And then we'll peel the black char off the peppers and then slice them up for our salad. All right, let's fry our bread. So we get a nice, crispy, delicious toasted bread for this salad. All right, put that there. I know we did oil our bread, but let's add a bit of oil to the pan. Why not? All right, we're gonna throw in our bread. Get it nice and toasted. Let's get them in here. Nice and hot, and then we'll drizzle the top. A bit more oil. Nice and toasty. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Some season of salt. And we'll let those toast. So while our bread is cooking away and crisping up, let's take the top off this, and we are going to take all the char stuff, which adds delicious flavor, not the char itself, but the pepper, to our salad. So just a pair of gloves if it's too hot, and we'll just peel it off. Chop this up into little pieces, strips even. It's not fully there. Just give it a little chop. Doesn't have to be fancy. We're out in the middle of the woods in the Rockies. Who cares? Let's not stress too much. We're having dinner, lunch. So we're just grilling our bread off. Let's give one bread the whole pan for a minute. There we go. Let's take that guy off and we'll finish this guy up. There we go. This salad is all about the bread, so a good flavor like a sourdough would be great. It soaks up all the flavor, all the juices from the tomatoes, from the peppers, from the dressing. All right, let's give this guy a little cut. Nice big chunks. There we go, like that. There we go. We'll take these, toss them right into our bowl. Whew. And then we'll grab our other one. Turn that off. Take them over. And we'll do the same with him. Give him a little chop down the middle. Cut him in the cubes. It smells so good. Like look at that. Look at this. Yum. Mmm. Crispy bread. On a cold day. Where are we to? We got our tomato, we got our onions, we got our peppers, bread. Let's give our tomatoes a little chop up here. Let's throw a few here. A couple handfuls of tomatoes.
Basil for me.
Basil. We'll put basil on the top for you. How about that? All right. Simple. Cut them in half. Don't have to be fancy. Throw them in there. Different ways, different shapes. Cut. Make them all look unique. Look at that. Now we're gonna add some mozzarella. If you don't have bocconcini or little cocktail bocconcinis or any fresh mozzarella, you can use pretty much like a shredded mozzarella if you really wanted to, or some goat cheese would be good in this. Feta cheese would be really delicious. You all know how I love my feta cheese. All right, so we're gonna do with these. I'm gonna take a handful of them, just like there, and we're just gonna slice them in half and toss them in. You could slice these a couple times like this, throw them in, or you can quarter them, have a bit of fun with it. Different shapes. And just cut them up and toss them in. We're not going to use this whole cucumber, so we're going to use about a third of it, I guess. Cut them there, put the rest back. And then take this, and we're going to give it a little wash. Just like that. Like, how many times am I going to say it? This thing is great. I'm loving this thing. All right, and then I don't like the peel on cucumber. I find it a little bitter. So I'm just going to give it a quick peel. Didn't bring my dog today. If Bri was here, she'd be here hounding for the peel of the cucumber. She loves it. So maybe I'll bring it home to her. So I'm using an English cucumber. You can use whatever cucumber you have. It doesn't matter. Anything quarters? I think little quarters would be cool. Not too big, not too small. And then just a rough chop. There we go. And now we take our dressing and we're going to pour it all over top. Just like this. Ooh, yeah. Don't be afraid to use it. There we go. Give it a little toss. Get everything mixed together. Make sure the bread's separated. If you did a horrible job of cutting it. Look at that. This looks delicious. What do you think, Shannon? All right, we're all done. Let's enjoy our salad. Let's plate it up and enjoy it. All right, so let's grab some salad here, put into our bowl. You could just eat this right out of the bowl. I'm sure I've done that a few times camping. But since it's for you guys, let's plate it up and make it look pretty. Look how pretty that is, all the colors. There we go. A few bocconcini on top. There we go. And because Shannon wants it, a few sprigs of basil on top. Yeah? There we go. Make it look nice and pretty. See, we got a few little pieces of char in there. It's fine. Just adds to the flavor. And let's give this guy a try. Grab a bit of this. Oh, a bit of char. Bit of bread. There we go. And oh yeah. That is good. All right. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video we made for you guys here today. I had a lot of fun doing this. We're out in the beautiful outdoors. Like, look at this place. Can't get any better than this. This is, you know, so relaxing, so much fun. Thank you for HitchFire for sending out this cook station. I love it. If you want to learn more about them or get one, the link is in the description below. Guys, if you want to see more of this style of video, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. If you liked it, let me know. And if you have any suggestions or what to cook or where to go, if there's a meal you want to see me cook outside, let me know and I'll see if I can do it for you guys. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below. And until next time, FOOD-DEE out.